In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a photo into a circle in Adobe Express. This is a quick and simple editing technique, and it's especially useful when you want to create profile images, badges, clean design elements, or a more polished layout inside your project. Adobe Express makes this very easy once you know where to look, so let's walk through the process together clearly and step by step. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want to edit your image. This could be a social post, presentation, flyer, or any other visual project. Once your project is open, locate the photo that you want to turn into a circular crop. Next, select the photo. When the image is selected, look up at the top toolbar. You should see a crop option there. Go ahead and click crop. This opens the cropping controls and gives you access to different shape and framing options for your image. After that, move your attention to the crop panel on the left side of the screen. In that panel, find the circle option and select it. As soon as you do this, Adobe Express will apply a circular crop frame to your photo. This changes the visible shape of the image while keeping the editing process simple and flexible. Now that the circular frame is active, you can adjust how the image appears inside it. Drag the image to reposition it so the most important part is centered. You can also scale the image if needed to zoom in or out slightly. This is the part where you fine-tune the result. So take a moment to make sure the subject is framed the way you want. If you're working with a portrait, for example, you'll usually want the face centered nicely within the circle. Once you're happy with the placement, click outside the image. This applies the crop and exits the active editing view. At that point, your photo will remain cropped into a circle within your Adobe Express project. And that's it. You've successfully cropped a photo into a circle in Adobe Express. As a final tip, before clicking away, take one last look at the image alignment to make sure nothing important is cut off near the edges of the circle. A small adjustment can make the final result look much more balanced and professional. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to create a circular photo crop in Adobe Express.